We installed the OpenAI Agent SDK and Python.env. The SDK gives us higher level primitives to build agent, runner, tools, hands-off, and etc. So we spend less time wiring and more time shipping. And .env lets us keep secrets out of the code. Once our libraries are installed, we will import the needed libraries to create the setup. We will read our API key from the environment and set the default client for the SDK. If you are using a local LLM or Azure later, then this is the block you would swap to point at your base URL and model. The rest of the notebook remains unchanged. Here we are using GPT-4o Mini from OpenAI. Now our setup is ready. Let us spin up our very first agent. Two imports, the agent and runner. So this agent block defines our first tiny agent. You give name to your agent. Now this is just hello agent. And then this is your instructions to this agent and the model this agent is supposed to use. So we gave the agent a name, a single sentence of instructions, and a model. Keep the instructions short and action oriented. We will add tools and guardrails later. Now here we run one turn. So input can be a string or a chat transcript. Here it is just a prompt like result.final.output is the agent's reply. Because runner.run is async, this works in the notebooks with await. So use runner.run underscore sync in a plain script. So let us run this. So here our agent responded. So the instruction given to this hello agent was, you are a helpful assistant, and the user input was write an article about AI agent in 5 lines, and this is the output generated by our tiny agent.
This video is part of my course Mastering AI Agent using OpenAI Agent SDK, the course which I have published on Udemy. The link of that course is available in the description. So if you are interested, please follow the link and get your certification done.